हेलो हेल्थ केयर फोक्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। वेलकम टू कोच मिसेस ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल। If you're an MBBS student or a doctor aspiring to move to Australia, then this video is for you. In this video, we will discuss how you can move to Australia and how you can build a career there. तो बिना किसी देरी के चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Let's start with the very first question. आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया कैसे पहुंचेंगे और वहां डॉक्टर कैसे बनेंगे? Well, there are multiple ways to do it. To be precise, there are 4 different pathways that can help you, depending upon your current profile. According to Australian Medical Council, the 4 pathways for international medical graduates are: first, standard pathway; second, competent authority pathway; third, specialty pathway; and fourth, short-term training in a medical specialty pathway. Of all these 4 pathways, the standard pathway is the mainstream and the most preferred pathway for international medical graduates. In this series, we'll be dwelling deep and talking about all the aspects of standard pathway. But standard pathway को समझने से पहले बाकी 3 pathways को briefly discuss कर लेते हैं। चलिए अब समझते हैं कि ये competent authority pathway क्या है and who can opt for this pathway. Well, for competent authority pathway, there are 2 criteria that an international medical graduates needs to meet. First, he or she must have completed their medical degree from an institution recognized by both Australian Medical Council and World Directory of Medical Schools. Second, and must have received a training or assessment from an approved competent authority. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि ये competent authority क्या है, Competent authority is the medical council of different countries recognized as competent by Australia. And Australia recognizes 6 councils as competent. First, the General Medical Council, United Kingdom. Second, Medical Council of Canada. Third, USMLE, USA. Fourth, Medical Council of New Zealand. Fifth, Complex from USA. अगर सिंपल भाषा में समझाऊं तो इनमें से किसी भी कंट्री में अगर आपने अपनी मेडिकल की पढ़ाई कंप्लीट की हो या फिर इनमें से किसी भी कंट्री का असेसमेंट पास किया हो तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में आपको 12 महीने तक सुपरवाइज प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी और उसके बाद आप इंडिपेंडेंटली प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में। अब बात कर लेते हैं स्पेशलिस्ट पाथवे की। The primary eligibility criteria remains the same. You must have completed your medical degree from an institution that has been recognized by the AMC and the World Directory of Medical School. International medical graduates can go for specialist pathway in 2 cases. First, you specialize in certain area and your skill and specialty are needed in Australia. Second, you need the recognition for your specialization. अब बात कर लेते हैं short term training in a medical specialty pathway की। This is for those international medical graduates who wish to receive a short-term, up to 24-month specialist training in Australia. And of course, once you complete your training, you can register yourself with the Medical Board of Australia and practice as a doctor there. And now comes the most preferred pathway, the standard pathway. This is for the general registration and practice in Australia. अब इतने जरूरी पाथवे को अगले वीडियो में हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं और हम उम्मीद करेंगे कि आप भी कोच मिनिस्टर का साथ तो बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ेंगे। तो आपसे हम मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। आप देखते रहिए कोच मिनिस्टर।